Okay, I'm going out to one today. She said her keypad doesn't work. I'm gonna maybe sell her a new opener or fix the one she has. But that's it. I got a low battery. I gotta charge it up before I get there. How you doing?
Want me to open the door?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Did I replace that battery before?
I don't know.
They're just so old. I mean, the way they are, you don't even see the battery now. But this is like an old one because this antenna right here.
Yeah.
They're normally purple, even on the old ones. But now they're yellow, and now they're making them white. I was just notified that the other day. They're going to be white now, and they're going to work off Bluetooth, your remotes.
Oh, really?
Instead of a frequency.
Oh, okay.
So, because I didn't understand, I was actually programming a keypad. And I got it to capture because the lights will blink when it captures it, but it wouldn't work. And I had to call the customer service.
That's a nice way to find out.
No, but what you got to do, you got to wait between 5 and 10 seconds.
I was gonna say, yeah.
And it'll send another signal through Bluetooth.
Too complicated.
No, I know. That's why I said what.
Here are my remotes from my car, but they have new batteries in it. But see, this is the one that doesn't work.
Okay.
See? Well, I won't do it with the door up. But the door's down.
Well, yeah, you should be able to go like this and close it. Did you ever used to be able to do the enter button?
I have it over here.
Oh, wall
Right
button?
here. The wall button is the one I use when my hands are full. But coming in, I use the
And
one.
that works?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh, yeah.
What's your
Well, yes and no.
I'm surprised that works. Let me see something.
isn't it?
Well, yeah, that's probably before all the new stuff is different now.
Yeah. Well, this place doesn't even have Wi-Fi. You have to use.
No, the new openers have it says Wi-Fi
I mean
right
in
on.
my house.
Yeah.
The overall house, but they built them like the year that it was just going in.
Yeah. Well, the new ones now have battery backups in them now, and then so if you have a power failure, they still work. And they.
See, that would be good to know because otherwise, I don't know how to lift all this stuff, and I had a back injury, and I wasn't able to do that.
Yeah, they have it. I've changed her battery before.
Yeah.
I put that opener in, and I remember she was using it. Remember they shut out, there was no power for like a week?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
She was using it on the battery power for a long time.
Okay.
And then, yeah, I remember I changed its door jamb too. I think it was rotting on the bottom.
Well, it could have been.
Yeah.
I don't know. But I use this one. Sometimes it gets this far and it goes back, but most of the time it just closes.
The reason I said that is because now on the new ones, you can't have two buttons. The second button.
Oh, really?
Second button has to be like a remote. It worked off of the radio. So, but it's not a big deal. I mean, but
This one works.
No, I know, because yours, on the old Genies too, you can put buttons everywhere and it doesn't interfere.
Oh, okay.
But because of all the technology now, you can only have one circuitry going.
Soon we'll have a robot that will say, "You may now move it."
Yeah, and matter of fact, see this one here, I got to park over here, but I don't mind. It's such a nice day here. Nice area, nice day, nice little breeze out. I walk over to my truck. I got to get the part. See, I put this door in over here years ago. And you see they got a big crease on the bottom panel. Right there, they must have hit it with their car. Right there, you see that big crease on it, right there. I remember I changed the door jambs. But she made it up for $360. And I put some sensors on it because one of them was missing a lens. But while I was standing there, a guy comes up on his bike, he sees my truck, and I'm gonna go there right now from here. And he wants me to fix his garage door. So let me type in his address and you can come for the ride. Literally right here, which is less than 30 seconds away. Right here. Back in here. Okay, I'm here. This guy was driving by and he wanted a door service. He's seen my truck. How you doing?
I'll meet you up.
Okay. Got the electric car, huh?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
I'll never go back to it. You can kick all that gas and kick it to the curb. This is where I fill up every day.
Oh, that's why you're giving your Harley away, huh?
Oh, the Harley, I enjoyed them. We had them for a while. Time to get rid of them,
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah. Oh, you had the post on this one?
Post out.
Yeah. I've done millions of those, but I used to beef up the headers.
Yes, I mean, that's a huge header. I mean, you're only holding up.
Yeah.
That thing's all the way across, goes through that, and it goes all the way over here. So
Yeah.
you know, I was gonna put a steel plate on there.
No, you don't. That's
My buddy
overkill.
told me
I used to run
no.
2x14s across,
Yeah.
and then I put a 2x6 on the jam.
It didn't need it. There's nothing on top here, you know. There's
Yeah.
nothing. There's no weight on.
No,
there.
I know.
I want to replace this worm drive. I want to get the garage door opener. I have that Wi-Fi thing hooked up to the garage door right now. It's
Yeah, these are all the external things you have to add.
you can buy those. They're okay.
Yeah, they're all
you know.
built in now. You don't have to do any of that.
Yeah. Two of my house in Fresno.
Yeah.
And,
What models did you have? Because they change them so often. Matter of fact, they just changed them again.
My buddy just did it with a buddy of mine. His are newer than mine.
All you guys that are questioning this, garage door technicians are making way more money than anybody. They're never going to tell you because they don't want you in the business. So listen to me. I'm exposing them. Get into the garage door trade. Take our course. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker and some people do it longer. The guy right now, I think he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.